Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news, so let's get started. So guys, the first news that we have is from Facebook. Facebook was updating its hate speech policy to ban any content that denies or distorts the Holocaust. Facebook banned certain anti-Semitic conspiracy theories and stereotypes. Facebook would also direct people searching for terms associated with Holocaust or its denial to credible information of the platform. The World Jewish Congress and American Jewish Committee praised the move. Next news that we have is from ITEL. ITEL has announced 6 new TV models in India. The TVs come in 32 inches to 55 inches screen sizes and are priced starting from as low as 8,999 rupees. Total 4 models are launched in I series and 2 models in C series. The high-end model is priced at 34,999 rupees in India, and the company has confirmed these TV will be available in offline markets as well. At number 3, we have news from Netflix. Netflix plans to scale up to 6 feature-length animated movies every year. Netflix has released 5 animation films so far. Its 6 film a year target may not include anime. 6 animated features would mean surpassing Hollywood's biggest studio including Disney and Sony Pictures, etc. Listing further, we have news from OnePlus. OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei has left the company to start his own venture just ahead of OnePlus 8T launch. The 31-year-old Chinese-born Swedish entrepreneur co-founded OnePlus as smartphone company in December 2013. The exit of Carl Pei was first brought into notice through 2 purported notices posted on Reddit. Moving forward to the next update that we have is about Jabra Elite Truly Wireless Earbuds. Jabra Elite 75T Truly Wireless Earbuds are getting free firmware update that would enable active noise cancellation. With active noise cancellation turned on, Elite 75T will offer battery life of up to 5.5 hours. Jabra also announced several festive discounts on products. Next news that we have is about Jio. According to Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, Jio has become the first telecom operator to have over 40 crore total subscribers in July. The overall wireless subscriber base saw a 0.30% growth. Well, which network do you use? Comment your views in the comment section. At number 7, we have news from OnePlus. OnePlus 8T virtual pop-up event has been announced by the company where people can unbox, experience and purchase the newly launched smartphone. It will take place at 8:20 p.m. on Indian Standard Time on October 14, right after the launch event for OnePlus 8T, which starts at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Let's see what OnePlus unveil on the event and at what price. Next news that we have is from LG. LG Velvet is teased to launch in India very soon. The phone was launched in global markets back in June 2020. The phone features Snapdragon 765G processor, a 4000 mAh battery and a triple rear camera setup. Launch date is not yet revealed by the company, but the price is leaked way before the pre-bookings. The price for the base variant is 36,990 rupees and variant with dual screen accessory may be priced at 49,990. Let's see when LG officially unveil the device and at what price. Listing further, next news that we have is about Vivo V20. Vivo V20 is now officially launched in India and the phone is only launched in 1 RAM variant, 8GB RAM and 2 storage variant, 128GB and 256GB storage. The Vivo phone will be available for pre-booking starting today. The phone comes in 3 color options: Midnight Jazz, Moonlight Sonata and Sunset Melody. The first sale will begin on October 20 and the phone is priced at 24,990 for the base variant and 27,990 for the high-end variant. So guys, the last update that we have is about Call of Duty. Call of Duty Mobile Season 11 will be released on October 14. Call of Duty Mobile latest update brings a new cranked mode. The COD Mobile team has also made several optimization and improvements. The new Battle Pass will start from October 15. Well, how many of you play Call of Duty Mobile? Comment down your views. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share this video with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon as it won't let you miss any latest video. Also, join us on social media platform. Instagram and Twitter handles are mentioned in the description. Please comment your views in the comment section, which motivates us to improve. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching and never forget to smile.